Okay, folks. We've got a plane coming in. This one in from this one in from Frankfurt, I believe. And there comes one now. This is going to be cool. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is going to be quick. Overhead. Here we go. Yeah. Look at that. That one in from Frankfurt. Very nice. Okay. We have one in from St. Martin. And this one is a 727 in from St. Martin. Next, folks. And we've got a friend of ours on the board. The next aircraft that's coming in. She's descending at 2,000 feet right now. And this is not the one. The one is afterwards. So here we go. We're going to move over so we can get the overhead departures. Gatwick Airport Station. It's literally where I just got off from. I'm literally heading back to my hotel. Here we go. Yeah. Woohoo! What a beautiful aircraft. Okay. Okay, folks. We're going to call it on the... Not this one, but we're going to... Not this one on our friend, but we're going to call it the last aircraft after the one that's come in to land, and then we're going to finish off with another aircraft. She's now at 2,000 feet as well. Okay, the one's at 1. So you should see it sneaking, peeking through the clouds there. Gatwick Express departed for London Victoria. Here, oh, here he is. This is him. That's him there, folks. Okay, we're going to call it the... Sit, Betty. I'm going to call it the last one. And I'm heading back to my hotel. Oh, departure. Okay, we're going to move over. And we will be somewhere down there to catch some, hopefully. But there's blocks of areas here. Here we go. Okay, folks, this is the last aircraft coming in. We're going to finish off. We're going to call it a day with this aircraft. Super smashing great. Here we go, super smashing great. Here we go. This one in from Scaffos. Nice. Oh, she's just gone behind the bush. Okay, everybody, look after yourselves. Take care, and we'll see you tomorrow from get back on the train. Go get back to my hotel. Thanks very much. See you later. Bye bye. Okay, GP.